Hello, my friend. Are you looking for a real review of Instant Buy Now Buttons by Matthew McDonald? I got it coming up for you right now. Hello, my friend. It is Danny Forts here with the rejection-free formula, no calling, no chasing, no convincing, and with PowerSwitchProfits.com. So Matthew has released another cool plugin. I want to tell you a little bit about it. I want to tell you the good, the bad. There really is no ugly. There will be some improvements for one of the things that I did discover with this plugin. But all in all, this is really cool, and it's going to help you generate more sales. So you can add these really cool looking buy now buttons in boxes. I think they're called. I think some of these are called Belcher buttons. I mean, you can go back and check it out for yourself. But you can create all these buy now buttons, place them on all your different websites and so forth. And then with the upsell, which is really cool, you get all these other options like subscriptions. You have the ability to do one-click upsells. You can do trials, etc. So let's just jump into this right now. I'm going to show you exactly what it does because I did pick up the whole funnel here because it just made complete sense. So I'm going to show you what the different options are. And then you're also going to get $357 worth of bonuses if you pick it up from my link, which you can go to rejectionfreeformula.com/BNB, meaning Bob November Bob. Again, rejectionfreeformula.com/BNB, or you can click on the link that's in the description below this video, and you'll even see a raw Warrior Plus link because this offer is on Warrior Plus. So let's jump right in. As you can see, this is the main sales page here. This is the upsell page, and again, I'm gonna go through the upsell. But this is not some ridiculously long funnel. Matthew keeps everything simple. He keeps his product simple. It's literally here's what it is. Here's what it does. Would you like to get it? And then he offers early bird pricing, so you can get it at a discount because later he does up the prices. So even if you are on the fence, so let's roll through this section. I would pick it up because then it's going to go up to $97 a year, which you can pay less than that and get it, for $20 less one time, if you decide to pick it up today. So let's roll through this section right here. You can see I've created some buttons myself. This is a template that I'll be selling with some pages and so forth. This is the upsell version that has the one-click upsell, and then you have this additional information that you can put in here. This is the one that also does subscriptions and so forth. And this is just the basic one that I put together. This was the first one I had tested out using instant buy now buttons. And so let me go through here. The left-hand side, you got home, you got buttons, which will just give a list view of the buttons. Customers, you can keep track of the customers inside of this plugin when they actually purchase something through your link, so you can see it all through here. And then you have sales and then different settings. So the crux of this plugin is that you go here and then you got this three-step process here. Okay, so you got setup, design, publish. Okay, so when you're in setup, you just fill out the information, standard. And again, if you get the subscription, is with the upsell with the pro version. And then you just name your information, put your dollar amount, and put whatever URLs that you need to inside. Down here, you got custom checkout. This is the bump offer. Again, this is for this is with the upsell, and then you have more options, which is also, I believe, part of the upsell. So when you go into design, you got this area here where you can create and change all this information here. So I can put buy now, you can, and it's got some preloaded stuff. So let me just copy this just in case, because I think I put that in myself. But you can do buy now and save, and you can see it says there, it switches. You can also do secure access now. And what you can also do is change the color of the text, and you got these different options here. So you got the fonts and font size, and you can change all this stuff. And you can do that right here. So for instance, if I change this to, let's say, red, that just changed to red. And again, I can go back here, put what I had there, which was create badass buy buttons now, okay? Then same thing, you can go and you can edit all this information, the regular price stuff here. And this part all is pretty straightforward. When you click here, you got all your different templates. So you could get single buy buttons here. Then you can get the ones with the credit cards. Then you can go down and get these different buy boxes that you have, and you got all the different options that you can do there as well. On this side, let me go here. On this side, this primary area, you got the width, height, round. So this is like, when it comes to the button, you got the height of the button that you can actually change. You can change the width of the actual box itself, and then you got the shadow of the actual button there. You can change the color. Let's say you change the color of the button, which I just did there, and you can see that button just changed there, that color. And then for features, you can do this stuff here. You can, uncheck all this stuff. You can uncheck the PayPal, the credit cards, right? You can do cart. You can do all this stuff and just add and subtract at your heart's content. I'm going to add all this stuff back here so you can see everything. And then there's a cart button there. You go down to credit cards, for instance. You can, take off Discover and MasterCard if you wanted to. So you got some flexibility here. You can change the grayscale and the color, spacing, and the actual size of the credit cards there. So cool stuff, right? And then you got the box, and you can change the border size, as you can see there. This is really cool. You can change the type of border it is. So you can go from double, you can go dashed, you can go dotted. And then once you were done with that, again, you can come here, let's change this to like a green, just so I can show you. And you can see here that the button has completely changed. So because I'm not going to save this, I'm just going to go back here to my buttons. And so then if I went back in here and just showed you this, you would also see that the button has remained the same, okay? So that was the design, and you got all those options there. You can even sandbox it and test payments if you'd like, all that good stuff. So let's go on to publish. You got two different options here. You have the short code, which you can put in your website, and then you have the JavaScript snippet. Just an FYI, okay? This is probably the bad part. I did use this on a page builder, and it worked fine. It worked great. The great part is it's like you can host this on other people's websites and not have an issue. Now, the one problem I did have was when I tried to use this on some of Matthew's other tools. So let's say Affiliate Page Pro or some of his other page type builders, and it didn't work. And so I did send him a ticket, which was really good. He replied and said, yes, that's coming in one of the first updates. It'll be about a week. So just so you know, if it doesn't work on your other pages, be patient, because he will add a third box down here that'll be HTML. And with that HTML, you'll definitely be able to post it and put it on another site as well. So think of this as using this as a service. Think of this, especially with the upsell. There's no reason why you can't use this and provide a service for other small business owners, solopreneurs, coaches, consultants, anyone who wants to sell stuff online, including physical products, because with the upsell, you're able to charge for taxes and all this other stuff. Matter of fact, let me just go over here and show you. So if we went back to the setup, and we went into more options, you would see here that you got the amount, the discount rate, tax fixed, you got shipping, you even have all these webhooks. And if you don't know what webhooks are, don't worry about it. It's more an advanced thing that for people who like to get notifications when people buy it. That's what the webhooks are for. So let's get into the bonuses and what I have for you. Matter of fact, let me show you what this looked like on. Here's the page I have put it on as an example if you wanted to see that. And obviously, if you had a longer sales page, you can put it multiple times throughout the page. And then over here, you can also see that with the bump offer, I was able to add this one-click bump offer. Matter of fact, let's just go back over here really quick so I can show you the this one that has the bump offer. You can do one-click upsells, and then you still have the ability to change, again, all this stuff. So right here for the box and the bump, you got this stuff here, which is the blinking arrow. You got all the same features, and you got a lot of other features as well with all the different things you could do with the color changes. You can change the arrow color, the CTA background color. You can change the back. So like, let's just go over here for a second. Let's make this like a light blue, just so you can see this artwork. And then over here, that area changed to blue. Let's say you wanted to change that CTA area to green. CTA background color, let's go here to green. And I know this is going to look ugly, but I'm just showing you the options that you have. So now you have green there. You can change that arrow to white if you wanted. So let's go down to find the arrow. We can change this to white, and we can make it not blinking if we wanted to. and boom. So then, so you still have all the flexibility you want with all this stuff here, including let's see, the box, including like rounding the edges, you know, changing the width, and you can see that I'm rounding. Yeah, you can see I just rounded the outer edge here. Okay, so you have all of these different options, and then, you know, to still control a lot of aspects of this box. And then you can see what it looks like on different backgrounds. So if I wanted this on a black background, you would see what that looks like. So you got a lot of flexibility with this, which is really cool. Again, I'm not going to save it because I'm just going to go back here and continue on. So this is what the page looked like when I added this one. So you could have your sales video. You could, you know, flip it around whatever way that you want. You have the flexibility to do that. So right now, I want to get into the bonuses and what you're going to get with this $357 bonus package when you pick up instant buy now buttons from my link. And again, all you have to do is go to rejectionfreeformula.com/BNB, Bob November Bob for buying now buttons, and the bonuses are already ready in the back of Warrior Plus. And so let's go and let me show you. I think this is the page. Whoops. And this is the page. I didn't put the video on here, but this is all the bonuses that you're going to get. And I'll go through these bonuses right now. And again, this page is already ready in back of Warrior Plus. So here is the instant buy now buttons bonus package valued at $357. First of all, the front end is $10.99. And then if you want, that's for a single use license. And then if you want $8.99, or if you want unlimited domains, it's going to cost you another $8.99, and you get unlimited domains on sites that you own. For the pro version, which is the upsell, it's $46.99, and then an additional $30 for unlimited domains, so you can use it on client sites and use it as a service or whatever you want to do with it. And you're able to sell subscriptions, trials, webhooks, and then do the one-click bump offers. And that's a picture that you see on the right. That's what the bump offer is. Kind of looks like ClickFunnels, and just, you know, think of it this way. ClickFunnels, you know, to get ClickFunnels, you're paying $100 a month to have some cool options like this. Granted, this is not a page builder, but the fact that you get that kind of functionality with this tool, and as inexpensive as it is, and even paying one time, is just crazy, crazy value, okay? And then here's the bonus bundle valued at $357. You can see here, 15-minute fast start call. This is an implementation strategy session, or if you just have questions on a strategy on how to use this or anything related to affiliate marketing as far as I'm concerned. Bonus number 2, 5 ways to make more money with software. This is a short video training valued at $97 that's going to show you and probably give you an epiphany on how you can even use something like this in your business to actually generate income, because a lot of people will just buy software and it sits and collects dust on their hard drive. Bonus number 3, 3 easy ways to make money online. This is a video training as well, $37. It's all, I've generated income using all 3 of these ways, and so I explain the 3 ways that you can generate income with this strategy. Bonus number 4, R3 profitable PLR, rebrand, repackage for recurring income. It's profitable PLR. Basically, it's a short video training on how you can use some of that PLR, and PLR would be a great thing to use with instant buy now buttons, that you can repackage and sell stuff and do it real easily without those ugly PayPal buttons or some of the buttons they give you with PLR. This is valued at $97, and this will go great with this particular offer. And then last but not least, become a member of the Laptop 9to5 Lifestyles community on Facebook. You can even come in this group and promote, so long as you do the promotion yourself. I have this separate Facebook community where that's valued at $99, and there's like-minded individuals who do affiliate marketing who are also passive income aggressive. So with that said, that's everything that you get when you pick up instant buy now buttons from the link below, rejectionfreeformula.com/BNB for Bob November Bob for buy now buttons. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, or if you have questions below, feel free to watch the other videos that will probably pop up on the screen here shortly. And that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate, drop them below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Take care, have a fantastic day, God bless, and I will see you on the next video.